Top 10 must-eat foods to cure pancreas. Pancreas has mainly two basic functions. Firstly, making insulin to control your blood sugar levels, and secondly, making enzymes for the digestion of fat and protein. The pancreas helps the body to break down foods more efficiently and absorb the nutrients. Also, along with insulin, this organ produces many important hormones like polypeptides and glucagon. If your pancreas does not function properly, several health problems can arise, including diabetes, pancreatitis, and even pancreatic cancer. Many of the experts prefer that taking right food is the best way to cure pancreas without any medications. Here we have top 10 foods which help your pancreas and overall health. 1. Garlic. Garlic is an excellent food item that has anti-hypoglycemic and lipid-lowering properties. These properties improve the glycemic control and pancreatic health. 2. Reishi Mushrooms. These are also one of the beneficial foods to heal pancreas because they are very effective in reducing inflammation together with restoring body balance. Reishi mushrooms are said to be a great source of vitamin D2, potassium, fiber, as well as selenium. Adding reishi mushrooms to your diet helps to make the health of your pancreas become better. 3. Spinach. A substance found in spinach called MGDG is a potent cancer-fighting substance because it inhibits DNA replication in cancer cells. MGDG slows the growth of cancer cells in the pancreas as well as promote cancer cell death. 4. Broccoli. Broccoli is rich in antioxidants and a substance called sulforaphane. Broccoli is able to reduce serum cholesterol, insulin resistance, and oxidative stress. All of these are contributing factors to pancreatic damage. 5. Blueberries. The consumption of berries reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes. This can be attributed to the anti-inflammatory properties of berries, which reduces the vascular damage to the pancreas caused by diabetes. 6. Red grapes. Red grapes have two substances called polyphenols and resveratrol, which improve carbohydrate metabolism in the body and glucose transport into the cells. They are able to effectively moderate the insulin sensitivity of the pancreas. 7. Yogurt. Natural yogurt is an excellent source of calcium with the additional benefits of probiotics, which help prevent infections and boost your immune system. This is one of the most natural ways to protect the pancreas and prevent damage to the pancreatic tissue. 8. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes have significant benefits for pancreatic health. When you consume sweet potatoes, your body is able to granulate pancreatic islet beta cells, which are responsible for insulin production. 9. Tofu. There are two major advantages which make tofu become very great for the pancreatic health. Tofu is very high in protein that is able to help in supporting the pancreas. Another advantage is that tofu is low in fat because the high-fat diet is able to make any pancreas problem worse. 10. Lemon. Lemon is one of the wonderful food to heal pancreas. It can help in stimulating the liver and the digestive system to manufacture more enzymes. Lemon not only helps to heal your pancreas but also helps in improving digestion process.